Possible arms for preparation for a glissade can be something simple for beginners or young children, such as holding the skirt. If you don't have a skirt, then just a low demi-second or even a demi-bras. So something not to concentrate on but to hold in position. You could also change to a low cross or a hot cross with the arms. For a higher level student or an adult beginner that is just practicing but wants to learn more arms with some basic steps, try a low third. And obviously adults and older students need to learn the concept of bringing the head, so a turned head or an inclined head is a good choice. A normal third, again with an incline, looking to the direction you're going, or indeed an attitude makes a good arms for preparation for a glissade or indeed glissades. Why not then try to choreograph a different arm position with each preparation for a glissade, maybe finishing with a side point, bringing the arms to fourth before beginning again with preparations for a glissade the other way with new arms for each one. Preparation for a glissade. Begin these for the very first time with feet in a casual first position. The emphasis is on the points or dégages. Point, point, close back in first and a demi-plie. Notice how we transition from the first point, lowering the heel as we raise the other heel into a dégagé or point and close back in first, finishing with a bend, which is the opposite of a full glissade that begins, stays and ends in a demi-plie through transition of the feet. Preparation for a glissade to the left, point, point, close, bend. And you will see the toes never leave the floor. We slide out to the dégagé, transition to the other dégagé, feet in first and demi-plie. And it's also very important that your weight stays central. So as we change feet, don't take your body over to that leg. You want to keep your weight central with your posture in the centre the whole time. So don't take your weight over with the leg. Let's now try preparation for a glissade, but from a casual third or fifth. The reason I say casual is because these are normally beginners or adults that haven't danced for a long time, so we're focusing on some basic movements. If we have the right foot in front, which we always start with in all forms of dance, start with the right foot or on the right foot for most steps, so we know the right foot's in front, that's going to move first, so therefore we travel to the right. Dégagé, dégagé, close behind, demi-plie. Dégagé, dégagé, close behind, demi-plie. If we want to go the other way, then we need the left foot in front. So when we've finished however many we want to do, normally 3 to fit in the bars of music, on the 4th bar of the music, side and slide round to the front. You can do this on fondue or with straight legs. Best to do it on straight legs for preparation for a glissade, but on fondue for actual glissades, because then you're down ready to begin the glissades, but straight leg for preparation for a glissade normally, because you want to be upright, not in a bend when beginning the other way. Point, point, close behind, demi-plie. Point, point, close behind, demi-plie. Of course, you could practice this also in fifth position. So let's do 3 and a side point. Remember, you can travel in any direction. Point, point, close. 1, point, point, close. 2, point, point, close. 3. We can change the direction on the side. Point. Point, point, close. 1. Let's change direction again. Point, point, close. 2, and again. Point, point, close. 3, and again, side, point. So even those you can choreograph directions if you like and add them into a simple practice routine. So therefore, even an easy step, combining those different arms as well, will make a nice, simple, coordinated practice. Glissade devant means to start with the front foot and finish with it still in the front. Demi-plie to begin. Finish. So we're still making slow motion, we are still making the same steps, but we're down and stay down, point, point. And you see it finishes much quicker. It is not the 4 counts of a preparation for a glissade. Glissade derriere starts with the back foot travelling to that direction and keeps the foot behind when we finish. Demi-plie. So you can take those in the count of and 1 or 1, 2. Glissade change means glided changes. So we go, for example, front foot travelling to that direction, but finish with the other foot coming in front. So demi-plie, change feet. So these can go from side to side, always being glissade changes. You can, of course, start with the back foot. So these will be glissade changes derriere now, meaning the back foot. So we would travel to the direction of the back foot and finish with what is now my right foot in front. The right foot would finish behind. Glissade changes derriere, demi-plie. If you want to do a second one straight away, stay down. 1, 2. So you've never come up from the down position. Obviously, choreograph routines where your next step, if doing something else, starts with a demi-plie down position. Glissades on arriere, not used very much. You're just going to make a glissade movement backwards. Glissade on avant coming forwards. You could have glissades practicing your directions. Do look at my video link below as to names of directions to travel. Glissade change to croise devant. So that means you're going to end up in the position of croise devant when you finished by doing a glissade change, devant. So we need to take the back foot to croise devant as we make the glissade. Glissade, change, derriere, en arrière to end ouvert. And now our legs are in the open position looking from the audience. As I say, look at the links below to understand some of these positions. Glissade change to la seconde, to the second, glissade changing. Well, if we were doing it with the front foot, we normally start, so we go to the side. There are many more versions of these glissades, but these are the basic ones that you will see mostly. Have a game if you go to a class to practice who can do the right glissade announced by the teacher first. This is a very good, fun game. And then get the winner to explain how they came to that, as in, this is because my legs look open from the audience, that the answer was ouvert, and so on and so forth. But don't forget to listen to devant, derriere, en arrière, en avant. So if we're talking en avant, it's forwards. If we talk about en arrière, it's backwards. Passe, you move the foot past the other one to get to the direction you want to do. I hope you enjoyed this brief video on glissade to get you going. Don't forget we can do glissade, which is a much quicker version of glissades in other forms. And then we can also see pas de Basque glissade, which is also linked below. So once you get some basic ideas of words and how the concept of the basic move is, you can have fun and link them together. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and do comment below to give me some idea of if you're an adult or if it's for your child to watch and increase their knowledge of ballet. And then I can put out more videos for you for the level you are seeking. Until then, happy dancing!